Welcome to my channel, All for Health with Jane. Family, we are still on the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. You know what Advocate Tifo is saying here? Advocate Malisela Tefu, what he is saying, family, this is the end of the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. I don't want to say much, family. We are going to listen to what Advocate Tifo is saying. If indeed what Longwetwala has told him is the truth, this is the end of the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. Family, let's watch and listen to the end so that we are able to get what Advocate Tifo is saying, so that we are able to understand what happened on the 26th of October 2014, so that when we come and argue in the comments section, we argue having an understanding of what Advocate Tifo is saying. Family, let's watch and listen.
You know, you said something so interesting earlier on. You said there were 6 warrants of arrest, only 5 went out, right?
5 were executed, yes.
It's 5 were executed.
Yeah, it's the guys that you see.
Yeah. So then how do we join the 5 and this one?
Okay. Yes. The 5.
How is Kelly connected to the 5?
The 5, né? According to the executive producer, Brigadier Gininda, the script writer, you see. And then, remember, Gininda is both in the first production and the post-production. Agree, you know, how do we do in our dramas? The post-production, the last, the last
editing.
Yeah, the last meal. Yeah, you understand? So, and then, we've got the executive producer in the SAPS, and we've got the executive producer in the NPA, Baloyi. Remember here, the main players here are in the state, Baloyi and Gininda. You see? Gininda is saying there is a line that Gininda is punched it many times when somehow is oblivious to the reality. We'll say, no, this is a prosecutorial-led investigation. I've never heard about such a thing. In South Africa, we've got in criminal, we've got inquisitorial. You see, our cases, for the state to succeed in conviction, is the prosecutor and the police working together.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Remember, are the police who are taking the person in the street, from the street. Then they bring the person to the prosecution. Then the prosecution see what are the loopholes, helping the police to close the loopholes. But there is no such a thing called prosecutorial-led investigation. It means that when you say it's a prosecutorial-led investigation, you mean that these people were arrested by the prosecutor from the street. Is what it literally means. These people are not arrested by the police, they are arrested by the prosecutor. Actually, these people are brought there by Baloyi. And Gininda came later. Because Gininda listened to Baloyi. Baloyi is controlling. And the little did we know, indeed, they were talking about the mastermind. After I got out of the prison, I made an investigation. I found out that the mastermind in this case is Advocate George Baloyi. So the main issues here, element of dispute here, is about the firearm that shot and killed Senzo.
You're saying that, okay, let me listen.
The issues in this one. It's not about the AVL. Someone want the AVL now. You want AVL for what?
Getting AVL?
the tracker,
Oh,
something that
okay.
shows the movement. The car has been here. You know where we are. This place. Remember, here we are in Florida. We're in Miami. Yes. You can see even the water here. Yes. So, and then I thank you for paying this trip to come here to America and interview me here.
Ow. Your
Thank
leadership.
you.
No, your leadership.
Thank you, my leader.
So
Yeah.
I'm asking
So
what
now
joins?
I'm coming there.
Yes.
Yes. So now, like I'm saying, yeah, I said it. I'm on record inside the court. I said, I put it to TJ Musia, Tribal Johannes Musia. You know, was the first witness. You remember that first witness? We were talking about the scene being destroyed, the scene being compromised, crime scene. You see, I put it to Musia that, look, it's alleged. I allege through the witness that Senzo was shot and killed by King. And further alleges that that was a mistake.
Yo.
And that firearm came with Longwe at home. He took it from, he's here. I've got Longwe's affidavit from the prison. I got it on the 8th of September.
This is
2024.
original.
It's original. Yes. 8th of September, it was Sunday. At section A2. I was staying at A1. Longo was at A2. Longo wanted me when he arrived in prison. He wanted to see me. Twice people came. I say, I don't want to see that boy. But on the third time, when they came, I was convinced. They said, that boy wants to see you.
Is it legal for for you to have this?
It's very legal. Because I didn't force Longwe. Longwe volunteered himself to tell me what is happening. He told me a lot. You see.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Because he keeps getting blamed.
Yeah. And then when he comes out, his father wants him to change the mind to say, no, no. Therefore, he's mad. This, you didn't do it. You see. So,
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What I'm reading here is hectic.
yeah. No, we'll read at the end. Let me finalize this issue of connecting the
Okay.
Kelly to the, because from the statement of Kininda, Kelly is the mastermind. Even on the 20th of October 2020, Pekitele went to Umlas and he told Senzo's mother that Kelly is the mastermind in this matter. You see. So, actually, what I am saying to you, my leadership, is that there are the people in the high echelon, like the former Minister of Police. He knows the truth, but doesn't want to come out. Baloy knows the truth. Keninda knows the truth. Shadrach Sibia knows the truth. You see. Lieutenant General Musikidi knows the truth because they were there. The late Major General Ndofo knows the truth because they even used him to disturb the whole scene. You see. So now, where does it connect?
Yes,
they want
the Nkabis and Kelly.
They want to make Kelly like, that's why they say, I said earlier, remember I said, this trial or the proceedings before High Court in Pretoria, they are very much unfair to Kelly.
Yeah.
Kelly want to come and testify.
Yeah.
And they know Kelly want to come and say the truth. But they want to keep her at the bay, at the distance, so that she can remain in the court of public opinion. You see. Up to so far, my leader, I've been protecting Kelly because everyone just say, and they say very, very, very cruel and very not nasty things about her, inhumane. You see, good to know. No, I respect your postcard because it's a national podcast. I won't say certain words that the family won't be happy.
Yes, yes, please.
Yeah, so actually what I want to say is that they want to hang her there. The whole nation still remaining on being casting aspersions against Kelly. You see, why you don't want the poor lady to come and testify? He said, no, I don't want it. Myself, during my time, during my subsistence, when I was still active in this matter, I was talking to him, Valoy. I said, is there anyone at the house that you are going to call? Because I don't want us to fight for the witnesses, you understand? Because those witnesses at the house were for the grab because they belong to the second docket. So, First Lawrence case 375 of 1.
And that's roundabout when you got arrested, when you wanted to bring on the other docket, I guess?
It was already brought. The arrest came 2 days after I mentioned the names of Shadrach Tebello Musikili. Tebello Musikili was a major general at the time. She was the DPC for detection in Gauteng. You see, she was coming from Free State. She came in Gauteng. At the time of Senzo's marriage, she went there wearing the cap of a Deputy Provincial Commissioner for Detective in Gauteng as a major general. She was there. And this one, Shadrach Sibia, was the head of the Hawks in Gauteng. They've been there, both of them. And then the late Major General, because now when he passed on, he was on pension, and he was already promoted as a Major General. But at the time, in 2014, he was a brigadier. He was a provincial head of Gauteng detective. Well, Musikiri was his boss. You see.
Hey, because they come up in this affidavit, and what they say is quite hectic. Quite hectic.
Yeah. So now, like I'm saying that...
why was this thing protected from the get-go? What kind of power is that?
Yes. Now I got the reason why now it was protected from the get-go after I got out of the prison. Like I said, I made my own investigation, you see. And then, thanks to this affidavit of Longwe, and thanks to Longwe, he assisted in the investigation that I did after I've been in jail for 17 months, you see. My findings was that accused number 3, they say, now the state say accused number 3 is the one who killed Senzo. And he used the 9mm firearm to kill Senzo. He's one of the intruders. Accused number 3 is Tobis, Prince Ngube. And then the firearm that they say he used, actually they incriminated him. They planted that firearm. There are 2 statements of the people in the house, actually 3, that they say the firearm that was shot was used to shoot Senzo. It's got a wheel. It's a flywheel. It's a revolver. You understand? Yes. It's a revolver. So how can the people inside say it's a revolver? Then Kininda and General, they've got the firearm, the murder weapon, firearm that is 9mm.
Oh, it's too many lies.
The issue of the firearm being found, the weapon, is a Kininda and General, the former national commissioner. You see, he said no. He established the cold cases unit. And then Kininda is the head of the cold case unit. For him to become the brigadier, he was promoted to become the head of the cold case unit. And I warned General Seto that I knew that he's going to promote Kininda to be a brigadier and head that cold case unit. Kininda was like a blue-eyed boy of General Sithole. You see? When Kininda was promoted, in terms of the policies of the promotion policy of South African Police Service, when the members got the pending case, you cannot promote that person. It's not promotable. But Kininda is the case in relation to affecting to the issues of one of my clients that I represented, Mr. Kubiani, who later on threw me under the bus. You see, he's one of those people who alleged that I should be struck off the roll because I'm taking the monies from the people. Someone I represented from the, he was found guilty and he wanted to make a bail, the appeal. I did the appeal for him. I succeeded in the bail pending appeal for him. But later on, he turned like a snake. He said, I'm taking the money from other people. You see? And our instructing attorneys, Mr. Toban, they all turn against me. They give the information to the state. State, I'm referring to Baloyi, to Deputy Judge President Lidwaba. And then because I was the most hunted person in this case, they would try everything that I should not be in this case. You see? Yeah. They wanted everything. Now, at the end of the day, my former client, Titi Kubiani, whom I assisted in making sure that he got the bail pending appeal, he later bite me, together with the attorney, Titi Tobane. Those are Titis against me, Mr. T. You see? So, all these lies you heard that I'm struck off the roll because I've been stealing the monies of the people and all those things, there's no such a thing. They say I was why?
Are you able to sue the state?
The state is suable in this one.
Yes.
Yes. You see?
The state is suable here.
Yes. And the state is in a mess here. With me, being struck off the roll. How can I be
being arrested? What were you arrested for?
How can I be struck off the roll? Because there's a procedure. Even the Deputy Judge President Lidwaba knows the procedure of the LPC. LPC was never involved with me in this allegation of struck off the roll. You know who went to complain against me? The police. The legal aid is the Provincial Commissioner of Gauteng, the former Provincial Commissioner of Gauteng, Lieutenant General Elias Mawela. You see, through the legal service of Gauteng, they approached LPC to complain about me because I'm representing the members, South African police members who are fired. And then they said,
you know, family, after listening to Advocate Tefo, what came to my mind is that Longwe is tired of lying. Longwe is tired of telling lies. Longwe wants this thing done once and for all. Longwe wants to see himself behind the bars for real, for life. By the way, he's going for many years for all this. Because he has been keeping quiet about this valuable information. But therefore has just indicated that they spent something like 7 million for this case. Imagine how much money has been spent. And Longwe was just quiet about this. And he has the truth with him. But anyway, this is the truth that we have been waiting for. So I'm just trying to try to think around what Longwe told Advocate Tefo when they were in jail. Longwe says the gun that shot Senzo Meyiwa was his father's gun that he took from Advocate Baloyi, the gun that has killed Advocate Baloyi's son. He says, I used this gun to kill Senzo Meyiwa, whichever way he has put it. But to me, it's clear that now Longwe is ready to go behind bars. Hence, he's telling the truth. And if this is the truth, the family, we were waiting for this moment anyway. So this needs to be proven, and whoever has to be convicted, let it be, family. Let it be, so that, at least Senzo's mom gets exposure of what exactly happened on the 26th of October 2014. Family, let's meet in the comment section. Let's talk about this. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please like this video. Like it, family. Just to like. That's very important. Like it before you leave. And subscribe if you haven't. If you want to be part of this family, please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye. I love you, family.